Now looking further, as we walk away from that palm tree over there, coming on around the edge of the house, and there we are staring at a very large, very dead maple tree. This tree is about 18 inches in diameter. We're gonna dig it out, pull it out, and put a Hong Kong orchid in its place. We're gonna move it over to the right another couple of feet, and then we're gonna plant another Hong Kong orchid on this side so that this walkway is framed with a Hong Kong orchid over there and another corresponding Hong Kong orchid over there. 4 trees are being installed in this yard. Everything else is coming out. So we're the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com. This is what we do every day, all day. We're not landscapers. We're large tree installers, large tree transplanters, and privacy screen installers. Give us a call from thetreeplanters.com and we'll do this for you.